Welcome everyone, happy to see you again. From this video, we are going to learn about the position and orientation of various building components, such as doors, windows, ventilators, and etc. Before get into the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and get updated. We are doing the following works in online, with good quality and low cost. Interested, kindly contact us. The position, orientation, and specification of various building components affects the privacy, security and comfort living of occupants inside the residential building. The building components such as doors, windows, lintel, steps, components such as rise and tread, exhaust fan, water closet and etc. Going to be learn in detail view. The location of main door can be provided in the middle of the building, but for the room, always try to locate the doors at corner of the room, so that we avoid the waste space in a room. In this type, we need to locate the doors facing each other, because this location will give the comfort of using the room, and from the outer occupants can easily move from one room to another room without making any disturbance and obstruction with the user. Opening of the door is most essential in this case, because the opening of door may leads to accident, and it will lead to make discomfort with the opening of the another room. Location of window is to take care. If the window is placed just behind cooking stove, the entry air will disturb the cooking, sometimes it may lead to major accident. So place the window like shown in figure B, that will not affect the cooking and giving excellent ventilation to the entire room. Opening of window must be inside, because it will make some accident. If someone near the window opening area, then they will be hurt by the opening of window. So window must be opened inside, and this will be easy to operate and maintain the window. The concept of ventilator location is exactly opposite to the concept of window location. The hot and warm air will be produced with upward pressure from the kitchen. The hot air is weightless air, so the air travels exactly upward. If the ventilator located near the stove, the smoke and hot air will be get out from the kitchen easily. Location of sink is must be in favorable distance for both the outer and inner occupants. Inner occupants are using the sink for vegetable washing and other purposes, and the outer occupants also using the sink for washing the hand and some other activities. So that it must be easy to use for both of them, so that we can place the sink and drain board just like figure C. Location of exhaust fan is just like the ventilator. It must be placed over the cooking area, because it will not allow the hot air and oil mixed air for a longer distance, and making the working person much comfort. It will indirectly reducing the maintenance of the room. Width of worktop must be 2 feet, because it is most suggested for comfort and easy access of the whole length of the worktop. Kindly don't make the worktop like image A and B for residential building. Height of worktop must be 800 mm from the floor level. It is suggested to avoid the back pain and making good comfort on working. It is designed based on the average height of human beings. The storeroom is always suggested to locate it inside the kitchen, because most of the time, the working person from the kitchen is using the storeroom. So the distance between the storeroom and kitchen must be minimized, and we can increase the efficiency of work by reducing the distance of storeroom. Position of door is always to be taking much care, because it must need more privacy. The location and opening of the door is just based on the location of living room or nearby room and bathroom. Based on that, the location of water closet is fixed, and based on the location of the water closet, we can fix the location and opening of the door. As like previous, the position of water closet is based on the location and orientation of living room or nearby rooms and bathroom. In this case, water closet with minimum area, we can follow the option B in both the cases for the easy using. Opening the lintel outside, contains rain penetration and easy to operate. And opening the lintel outside will give better privacy to the occupants when comparing to opening the ventilator outside. Location of cupboard is most essential for making the good appearance of the rooms. The general rule is, the outermost surface of the cupboard and surface of wall must be in equal in thickness. So that, we can follow option B for this case. Nowadays, steps and staircase are used not only for the vertical movements, it is also used for the better appearance. Additionally, we need comfort when we using the staircase. So that, the mid-landing must be provided to avoid the tiredness and make this easy vertical movements. To make comfortable movement, minimum tread is 290 mm and minimum rise will be 150 mm. This video is just giving you the formula for the location and opening of the windows and doors and other important things. But, based on the location, orientation, and dimension of rooms, the opening and location of the openings will change. The given information and specifications of the building components can be used for the budget house, for the comfort and easy living in a small area. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel and keep sharing.